Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing MNS examination mock test paper 2. So let us see exactly what has been given. Please check my playlist. You will find maximum information regarding MNS mock test 1 as well as previous year examination maximum questions have been given. So let us see what has been given in this slides. So, initially we have GK and current affairs. The first question is the youngest Indian woman to achieve the title of Grand Master in chess. We are aware that Koneru Hampi, she is the one of the greatest player. As a youngest woman, she has achieved the Grand Master in chess. Sorrow of Bengal, that is River Damodar, is known as Sorrow of Bengal. The same as the Sorrow of Bihar, that is Kosi River. So you should know what exactly all these rivers. The name of Maharana Pratap's horse. He has got the horse, as you can see right side. You will find the horse right to the slide. This name is Chetak. As we should know, the Buddhist horse is Kantaka. Next we have the largest museum in India, that is Calcutta, which is the largest museum which is located in Calcutta. Damodar Valley, that is Bihar and Bengal, is known as Damodar Valleys. Next we have Thomas Cup is concerning to which sports, that is related to the badminton. ASLV stands asynchronous augmented satellite launching vehicle is used in India for the first time in 1987. This kind of vehicle has been launched in 1987. Winner of mixed doubles category in Wimbledon 2015. You should know the mixed double means they'll be playing one male and female. So there in 2015, Martina Hingis and Leander Pace. Leander Pace has won various Wimbledon mixed doubles. Nishant and Laksha are the unmanned air vehicles. You should know what exactly the Nishant and Laksha. You can go to Google and search out exactly how it looks like. There is no manning in that, unmanned actually. So unmanned aerial vehicle which is used for the photography of the locations. And Shastra is a missile which is carried by the fighter aircrafts, and this missile is air-to-air missile. Next we have Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. As you can see right side, how exactly we have the states of the matter is solid, liquid and gases, and the fourth state is plasma. Now the recently it has been identified there is a one more, that is Bose-Einstein condensate is one of the states of matter obtaining by cooling a gas of very low density to extremely low temperatures. This is obtained. So there is one more other than plasma. This is the fifth one, you can tell, Bose-Einstein condensate. Next we have Manas is not a tributary of river Ganga. What are the tributaries of Ganga? That is Yamuna, Gomti and Kosi. These three are the tributaries of Ganga, but the Manas is not the one. The local name of Pakistan Parliament, we have Sansad Bhavan. As usual, our Parliament name is Sansad Bhavan. So what exactly the Pakistani government has been given for the Parliament is, that is Majlis-e-Shura. The largest number of cotton mills are, you will find maximum in Maharashtra. Chandrasekhar Azad is the revolutionary of freedom movement who was shot, and Bhagat Singh. Here you should know exactly Rajguru, Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh. These three were hanged, and in the case of Chandrasekhar Azad, he has been shot with the bullet in his thigh. But what happened is he don't want to die with their bullet, so he has taken his own bullet and he fired himself. He died. So the exactly here is Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. As you can see the right side, they have been hanged due to the bombing. To enlarge their hold over India, many wars were fought between British and Indian, not Anglo-Bangla war, but Maratha, Sikh Mysore Wars. Here exactly has what has been asked is British and Indians have been fought in Maratha, Sikh and Mysore War but not in Anglo-Bangla War. Next, face off is the term which is used in the hockey game. Next we have the CDM stands for Clean Development Mechanism is known as CDM. In 2016, Amitabh Bachchan was chosen the new face for the Incredible India campaign. As we are aware that there is a tourism industry in India, that is Incredible India. So who is the new face for that? The Amitabh Bachchan was nominated as an ambassador for the Incredible India campaigning. In 1969, who among the following was part of the crew of space flight Apollo 11? Here we should know Apollo 11 has been launched in 1969. So in that crew, this Apollo 11 has gone to the moon. So who is the first person to reach the moon? That is Neil Armstrong. And the space is Yuri Gagarin from Russia. This Neil Armstrong is from America. Bhimbetka caves are located in which place? These caves, as you can see right side, they are known as Bhimbetka caves, which are located in Madhya Pradesh. Hubble Space Telescope, which belongs to the United States of America. We are aware that these kind of telescopes are used for the astronomical objects to see those. That is name is the scientist who found is Hubble's. That is the reason the space telescope has been called Hubble Space Telescope. Next we have the floppy is the storage device of the computers has now become obsolete. We can see initially we have a floppy drive which has got the capacity of 4.2 KB something. So now that has been overcome by CD, compact disc, and next we have got DVD, then we have got pen drive. Now we have the storage devices like terabyte hard disks. The instrument played by Dr. L. Subramaniam, as we are aware that Pandit Ravi Shankar's there is sitar and Sahanai Ustad Bismillah Khan, the same as usual Dr. L. Subramaniam, what he exactly plays, that is violin. Among the democratic countries of the world, which country constitution is the lengthiest and most detailed? We have compiled our constitution. It took near about 2 years and 10 months, exactly near about 3 years. You can please go through what exactly 2 years and 11 months and 18 days, near about 3 years you can tell. So overall it has been compiled from the various resources like England's as well as American and Ireland's constitution. So ours lengthiest and most detailed constitution among all the constitutions. Sundarban is the largest single block of tidal halophytic. These are one type of mangroves. So India's largest mangroves is that is Sundarban deltas, which is located in West Bengal. Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts is headquartered. So the headquarters of Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts is located which place? That is New Delhi. Next we have the Preeti Lata Wadedar participated in the Chittagong Armory raid as part of freedom movement. You should know who exactly Preeti Lata Wadedar. So please go through internet, you will find who had participated in Chittagong Armory raid as part of freedom movement. Indian Independence League formed in 1907, that is California. So whatever independence which is formed in 1907, which place? This was held in the California. The first human who got married in space, Yuri Malenko. He is the guy, as you can see the right below. He became the first person to marry in space on 10th of August 2003, and when he married Ekaterina, so as you can see exactly what has been given in the right side, he has got married in space. Next we have Angara ecologically clean rocket developed by Russia based space center. So here Angara is a ecological clean rocket which is developed by whom? That is by Russia. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site founded by the Pallava kings, is in Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu. Here what exactly has been given is the group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site founded by the Pallava kings in the Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu. So please go through whatever slide has been given. The southwest monsoon generates in Indian Ocean. So whatever the monsoon, the southwest monsoon, where it is generated in Indian Ocean. The official journal for the Committee on Space Research, as you can see, COSPAR stands for Official Journal of the Committee on Space Research, is Advances in Space Research. Konkani is the official language of which state? That is Goa. Priyanka Chopra won the Favorite Actress Award at the People's Award in 2016 for the leading role in the American TV thriller series Quantico. As you can see, she has got the award for the Quantico. She had made a good debut in Hollywood also. ISS stands for International Space Station. Next we have the lady who played an important role in the awakening of Indian women to fight for the independence and who is also known as Nightingale of India. The term Nightingale is Sarojini Naidu. So you should remember she has got a good participation. She had played an important role in the awakening of Indian women to fight for the independence. Next we have an example of full duplex communication channel is telephone conversation is one type of full duplex communication channel. So there we have both the way of communication. Who has been appointed as first ever ombudsman or ethics officer of BCCI? That is Justice AP Shah. Name the device used to connect computers for communication via telephone lines. That is modem stands modulator and demodulator. Battle of Gulnabad was led by Muhammad Hotaki and fought in the year 1722. Here whatever battle was happened, Battle of Gulnabad. So this was led by whom? Mahmud Hotaki and fought in the year 1722. Next we have what was the major decision that took place in 1987. Montreal Conference is the developed countries will completely ban chlorofluorocarbon production by 2000. So here the major decision has been taken, Montreal Conference, to in order to reduce this chlorofluorocarbons in 1987. This Montreal Protocol has been taken place. The major objective of Indian satellite series of satellites is to facilitate TV delay to remote areas. So overall this TV relay normally for the remote areas has to be given by the INSAT series satellites. Next we have, as you can see right side, Apollo 11. The first artificial satellite that landed humans on moon was launched in 1969. As we are aware that Neil Armstrong is the first person to step into the moon. In 1969, Apollo 11, he had stepped on the moon. The committee appointed in 1986 by Rajiv Gandhi on revitalization of Panchayati Raj Institution for Democracy and Development, LM Sanghvi Committee. Here the committee appointed in 1986 by Rajiv Gandhi for the revitalization of Panchayati Raj Institution for the Democracy and Development. What committee? This name is LM Sanghvi Committee. The executive head of the state is our executive head is Governor. Chief Minister is nominated by whom? The Governor itself. The Rowlatt Act, we should know, 1919 is the Rowlatt Act taken place, and in 1919, as we are aware that Jallianwala Bagh massacre which was happened in Amritsar on 13th of April also. The Kyoto Protocol was entered into the year, that is 2005. The flag of Malaysia comprises, as you can see the right side, alternating red and white colors. The total number, if you count of them, that may be near about 14 alternating red and white stripes. So the statue of is an icon of freedom. What the statue exactly? As we are aware, the Statue of Unity, which is located in Vadodara, Gujarat, Statue of Unity, that it shows unity, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue on the Sardar River Dam, as it is the statue of an icon of freedom, that is designed by the French sculptor, the Statue of Liberty, which indicates the freedom. The first passenger train started in India, that is started in Maharashtra, as we are aware, in Mumbai. Kidney is responsible for what? Kidney, now we have got the bio questions. So kidney has got the nephron unit, which is a functional unit which is responsible for the excretion. The lichens is an example mutualism between algae and fungi. So this is an example of mutualism between algae as well as fungi. Fungi, we can have there the fungi are they are mushrooms as one type of fungi. Taxonomy is the science of classification of living things. What exactly the taxonomy states? This is science of classification of living things. Rickets are caused by the deficiency of what? Vitamin D that we get from the sun. So if you want to avoid, this is the ricket bow legs, as you can see in the rickets. The man belongs to phylum named Mammalia, as we are aware that mammalian glands if we found in woman breast. So the same man belongs to what? To phylum named as Mammalia. So next we have the reproduction is a process in all living organisms have the power of reproduction, that is they produce young ones of their own type that grow and because capable of producing another generation of the race is known as reproduction. There are various reproduction process, as I hope you are aware of those all process. Next we have cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. So you will be asked like this, what is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism? Is that is cell. Next we have the chromosomes. We have 23 pair in our human. Next, that chromosome is a thread-like body which appears in the nucleus of the cell. So this chromosome is a thread-like body which appears in which place? In the nucleus of a cell. Each chromosome carries a fixed number of genes. Each chromosome carries a fixed number of genes. Influenza is a contagious disease and is caused by what? This is virus. So influenza is contagious disease and is caused by virus. Next we have the fish are the simplest of vertebrates. These fish are the simplest of vertebrates. Arteries carry the blood away from the heart. So we are aware that the arteries which carries blood from the heart to various part of the body. The pulmonary veins, as you can see, the fresh blood is supplied to the heart. Next we have the innermost female reproductive part of the flower is called the gynoecium is the one. The gynoecium is the one which is innermost female reproductive part of the flower, which is called as gynoecium. Next we have the muscles of the limbs, trunk and face are of the example of voluntary muscles. Sorry for the background music. The muscles of the limbs, trunk and face are the example of voluntary muscles. A group of cells similar in structure and function constitute a higher structured unit called a tissue. So what exactly the tissue is? The group of cells similar in structure and function constitute a higher structured unit called a tissue. Next we have in some plants like carrot, food is stored in the form of root. As you can see in some plants like carrot, food is stored in the root. The spinal cord is the center of reflex action. So which is the center of reflex action? That is spinal cord. The function of large intestine is to absorb excess amount of water. What is the function of large intestine? That is to absorb excess amount of water. Rice plants have fibrous type of roots. As you can see, the rice plants which has got the fibrous type of roots. Ciliary muscles controls movement. These ciliary muscles controls what? It's a movement in the eye. As you can see the right side, you can see what exactly the function of the pupil and lens and iris. So ciliary muscles are the function of the movement of the controls of the eye, and iris, which is the color indication, it indicates the color, as well as cornea is donated during the after the death. The eye part which is donated, that is cornea. Genetic material in a virus is, that is DNA and RNA, both are the genetic materials. Deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA stands ribonucleic acid. Watson and Crick has found this. Virus that attacks bacteria are called bacteriophages. Bacteria which back cell walls are known as, they are mycoplasms. There are two important purines, that is adenine and guanine. These two are important purines. The pyrimidines include thymine, cytokine and uracil. These three are exist in it. Next we have the corrosion of iron is called rusting. The poisonous mixture of smoke, dust and fog is there. As we are aware that smog is fog and smoke is mixture of that. So the dust as well as smoke as well as fog, that is smog. Acid rain is due to the pollutant. We should know sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide directly gets polluted with the air, and we will have the acid rains. The most harmful air pollutant produced by the automobiles, that is carbon monoxide, which is very dangerous. Poisonous gas is, this is the poisonous gas, that is carbon monoxide, which is CO. Next, this is dissolved in the blood, and you will not, the hemoglobin content cannot transfer the oxygen, then you will have the death. The reproductive part of the plant is, that is flowers, that is gynosium, which is there in the flower. Next we have the physics. The thermoscope was invented by whom? Galileo. Galilei is invented the thermoscope. The wavelength of visible light is 380 to 760 nanometers is the wavelength of visible light. The plane mirror is used in which place? As you can see right below, periscope. In periscope, that is used in submarines. So there plane mirror is placed in the 45 degrees angle, then we can see the over objects on the surface of the sea. X-ray travel with the velocity of light waves. So what exactly the speed of the X-rays is? That is equal to the velocity of the light wave. A hot wire ammeters are used for measuring alternate current only. What are the ammeters? They are used in the alternate current, which is used in domestic purpose. A potentiometer is an ideal instrument for measuring PD, potential difference, as well as electromotive force, because it doesn't disturb the potential difference it measures. There is a voltmeter which is used for the potential difference, but here the potentiometer also be used without getting any disturbance. Next we have an inductor may store energy in its magnetic field. Inductor has got the magnetic field type of energy. The cathode ray is a beam of electrons emitted by cathode. Here the cathode ray is a beam of electrons emitted by what? Emitted by the cathode. Next we have the cathode ray tube, that is CRT, is a part of the television set. As you can see right side how it looks like a U-shaped just behind the screen. That is known as cathode ray tube. The device that is used to measure the electromotive force is voltmeter or potentiometer, whatever the option has been given. Next we have the chemistry. The acid is secreted by the certain glandular cells in the stomach lining is, as we are aware, that hydrochloric acid, which has got the pH value is 0. So this is there in the stomach lining. Next, to pinpoint a criminal, forensic department uses the technique called DNA fingerprinting. So DNA fingerprinting is for the identifying whatever the murder or theft. Forensic department uses this kind of DNA fingerprinting. The source of common salt is halite, as well as it's also known as rock salt. As you can see right side how the table salt and rock salt looks like. What exactly the benefit of the salt is? To get the iodine in order to get goiter. Now the source, as you can see, NaCl is a common salt. The most commonly used semiconductors are made of silicon and glass. So these glasses are made by the silicon itself. The semiconductor devices are what? Silicon and germanium are the two semiconductor devices. An example of p-type semiconductor is silicon with boron is one type of p-type semiconductor. Next we have the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called, that is ignition point, where we have the spark. With that ignition itself we get the fire. If you don't have the ignition, we don't get any kind of fire. The objects which burn without flame, pea coal and charcoal. Here the objects which burn without flame is pea coal and charcoal. Here ignition, as we are aware that the lowest, for the petrol we have the lowest ignition point, for the wood we have the greatest ignition point. You should know what is the difference of ignition. If you have the petrol which easily burns, so it has got the lowest, the same wood will take some time, it has got the highest ignition point. Next, the calorific value, that is equal to heat produced by amount of fuel, is equal to 40,000 kilojoule per kg, is known as calorific value. The purest form of iron is what? Wrought iron. We should know what exactly the iron, soft iron or wrought iron, exactly where it is used. Please go through my playlist, you will find maximum information as pictorial manner, though the language is not in English. The chemical name of picric acid is, that is 2,4,6 is the chemical name of picric acid, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. As you can see right side how it looks like, the structural form. So I hope this video might be help for you. If you think that all these questions are known to you, it is good. If you don't know something, whatever the questions which are, I had gone through various question papers of previous year, don't think that these questions are not to us, they are all useful. If you don't know these questions answers, it means you have learned something new, so you may get these kind of questions also in exams. Thank you girls. If you have any queries, you can call me. If you want any kind of PDF, please ask me, feel free to call. I am here to help you. Though you are serving, we knew what exactly the work of the MNS, so though we had served in Navy, we knew how we respect you guys. Thank you. Have a good day, have a great life. Please share it to your friends, girls.